Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to make money using monday.com. Monday.com is a project management tool that allows teams to collaborate on tasks, projects and deadlines. While it's not a platform for making money directly, there is few ways you can use it to increase your business revenue. So after creating your account, you find yourself on the dashboard. Name it depending on the team you how you name it the team. So here you can complete your profile by uploading your picture, enabling this desktop notification and installing the app on your mobile. Here to invite teams. Who's Royman? 5 days. I think it's the support because I invited no man to my team, no real creatures. So getting started, help center and others. So the first way to get your money from monday.com, not directly of course, is to increase productivity. By using monday.com, you can streamline your team's workflow, assign tasks more efficiently, and stay on top of the deadlines. This increased productivity can lead to faster project completion, happier client, and ultimately extra money. So enhance communication. With monday.com's communication tools, you can keep everyone on your team informed about projects, updates, change, and deadlines. So this increased transparency can lead to better collaboration, fewer mistakes, and ultimately extra money, of course. So upsell services, if you are a service provider, you can use monday.com to showcase your work and demonstrate your professionalism to potential clients. This can lead to more upselling opportunities and ultimately more money. So improve customer satisfaction by using monday.com to stay on top of deadlines and deliverables. You can improve customer satisfaction and increase your chances of repeat business or referrals. This can ultimately lead to more money in the long run. So as I said, it's really simple. You adjust your work with your team by creating tasks, seeing and watching and keeping an eye on the analytics, and the results is extra money. So with this simple interface that you can customize, you can let the most important thing in front of you, the inbox, the workspaces, and you can hide others, like I don't know, depending on what you have. So here your work, here work management, we have the inbox and the profile, data, integration, developers, trash, archive, administration, teams. You can log out, you can upgrade. Here you can upgrade your monday.com's account to be more efficient. So we have the basic with H euro. Why is the currency is euro? I don't know how. And we have the standard, the pro, the enterprise. And those are the benefits. So if you are a CEO of an enterprise, you should use the enterprise plan, the pro for your team, the standard for you can be just you, and the basic. So here monday.com can be used as a powerful tool for improving your business operation and increasing your revenue. While it may not be direct to make money, it can certainly help you work more efficiently and effectively, which can lead to more profits. So Monday in simple terms, helps you to get up and stop doing things randomly and misordering. It helps you to get you in time, make you on the timeline, see your businesses, your everything. So here we have the personal information. You can add profile picture, edit your name, your role. We have here the title, the email, the phone, the Skype number, location, the birthday, anniversary, work anniversary. So here we have the working status in office, working from home. You can choose the dates that you will be working from home. Here we have change your password, language and region, notification, session history, and that's it. So you can create here workspaces, add item to workspace now. So here you can manage work on Monday. Here I created workspace, named back because I have a back exam, the baccalaureate exam. After what date are we on? 11 May. I have an exam after 22 days. Nice. And I am here. So prepare for your philo test. I already done it. How to sit? Oh, here. Done. Done. No, I done on this. I prepared. I passed the philo test. Your your English test, not yet. Because the English test, not yet. We have the review and the most important thing, the physics test. You can add here task, prepare, prepare for your physical and chemical test, PC test. And you can add here the statue, working on it, or you can customize your statues. We have here the dates. It will be the 12th May. Tomorrow, yes. And I'm recording the video right now before my exam. So that's how it works. You can add a list, person you have to check. We have jobs, tasks you give to your teammates, and you can invite them to see this here. You can invite and see how many people can see this, edit it. You are the owner right now. You can ban people from this workspace, I mean. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.